that was on the news some time ago, last year.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It was huge. Everybody was
Everybody's talking about it.
Have you ever thought about what it would be like to see a celestial event that is so rare that it only happens once in a while? The wait is almost over. Get ready to see one of the most amazing stellar events of the year in January. It will be possible to see 6 of the 7 planets in our solar system at the same time. It will be easy to see Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn with the naked eye. This will be a great time for stargazers of all skill levels. But wait, things get better. This alignment of the planets will become a 7-planet parade in February when Mercury joins the group. This is such a rare event that anyone interested in the universe should go see it. I'll show you all the important times for the planet parade and the double and triple conjunctions that happen all year long in this video. Do not miss any of these amazing events. Read all the way to the end to find out more. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get regular updates all year long so you can plan ahead and never miss these amazing celestial events. The planets can be seen at night already, but the best part of the planet show starts on January 8th. It will be a beautiful night in the sky on this date, as the crescent moon will rise high in the sky. As dusk approaches, turn your eyes toward the southwest sky. There you can see Venus and Saturn looking like they are close to each other. Venus, which is brighter, will be impossible to miss. From the beginning of the month until the end, the angle between them will keep lowering, getting closer each evening. Along with Jupiter, Venus and Saturn will be very close to each other in the sign Aquarius by January 18. At magnitude -4.5, Venus will shine brightly and steal the show. At magnitude 1, Saturn will look much duller. The 2 planets will be too far apart for a single telescope view, but they will look beautiful together in the evening sky. If you can't see Venus and Saturn come together on January 18th, don't worry. You can still see them close up on January 20. Also, these are some of the last chances to see Saturn before March 12, when it will line up with the Sun and hide behind it, making it impossible to see for a few weeks. Once it pairs up with Venus, Saturn will slowly fade from view as it sinks lower toward the horizon every evening. At the same time, Venus, the evening star, will continue to shine brightly in the western dusk sky. Upper in the sky is Jupiter, which is the second biggest star at night after Venus. Jupiter just passed through opposition, which makes now one of the best times of the year to see the gas giant with your own eyes. Jupiter is easy to see as dusk falls and night comes. It is high in the eastern sky, shining brightly. Mars will be close to the eastern horizon and shine brightly with its characteristic red color. It will be a beautiful sight in the night sky. The best time to see Mars is in January, when it will gradually get brighter before March 12, when it will be closest to Earth in more than 2 years. To make things even more exciting, on March 13, the moon will pass exactly in front of Mars, blocking our view of the planet for a short time. People in some parts of North America and Africa will be able to see this event, which will be a spectacular show in the sky. The rest of the world will see Mars and the moon as incredibly close together, making a beautiful conjunction. Neptune will be close to Venus and Saturn, and Uranus will be close to Jupiter. Neither of these ice giants can be seen with the naked eye, so you will need to use glasses or a telescope. In February, the waxing moon will join the other stars in this heavenly parade from January 31 to February 14. That's how it can feel to be far away from the beauty of the universe. Around the end of February, when Mercury joins the show, the event becomes even less common. But it will be hard to see all 7 planets at the same time. At sunset, Mercury, Saturn, and Neptune will be close to the Sun. To see these planets, you will need a clear western sky. In addition to the planet parade, 2025 is full of other important planetary events that you should make sure you don't miss. The first is the amazing meeting of Jupiter and Venus, which looks like it will be even more amazing than the earlier meeting of Venus and Saturn. Venus and Jupiter, which are the 2 largest planets in the sky, make a beautiful sky show that you can see with your own eyes. Mars is sometimes the second brightest planet during its opposition to Jupiter, but this only lasts for a short time. Venus and Jupiter look amazing together. They often look like a bright double star in the sky. The event this year will happen early in the morning on August 12, when the 2 planets will be only 1 degree apart in the constellation Gemini. Venus will be brighter than Jupiter, which will still be bright at magnitude 2. Venus will be shining at an amazing magnitude -4. When put together, they will make a stunning sight that can be seen without any help. The fact that this event is happening at the same time as the peak of the Perseid meteor shower makes it even more special. Sky watchers are in for a double cosmic treat, one of the best meteor showers of the year and a beautiful alignment of the planets. There will also be 3 triple conjunctions in 2025, which means that the moon will be close to 3 planets at the same time. Stargazers will be able to see amazing views thanks to these rare pairings. The first triple conjunction will happen on February 1 in the evening. Soon after dusk, look west. Between Venus and Saturn, you'll see a thin crescent moon. The exact position of the moon in relation to the planets will depend on where you are, but the view will be stunning no matter where you are. This group of stars will shine brightly in the evening sky, making it a great time to take pictures. On April 25th, before dawn, the second triple alignment will happen in the sky. Venus and Saturn will be close to the fading crescent moon, making a beautiful smiley face in the sky. Neptune will be close by, but you will only be able to see it through a telescope. You can see Mercury if you have a clear view of the eastern sky, but it will be hard to find that tiny planet. The Moon, Venus, and Regulus, the largest star in the constellation Leo, will all be in the sky at the same time for the 3rd time in 2025 on September 19th. Thin, fading crescent moon will pass very close to Venus and Regulus in the eastern pre-dawn hours, making a beautiful group of stars. Around this time, Venus and Regulus will already be in a beautiful conjunction. The moon will then join them, making the view even more stunning. It will be easy to see this close grouping with the naked eye, but binoculars will help you see the finer features of this conjunction. Well, thanks for watching. More exciting news about space will come soon. See you in the next video.